In this video, I'm going to talk about the usage of script in USB JTAG NT software. What is the script? A script is a collection of commands that automate the programming process. Script is stored in here. The available script can be found using the command script, and these are the current script. So to execute script, you just type the name without the extension, like here, mr18, and the script is executed. To display the script, you can type script and mr18. It will print out all the script in here, and it's about around 100 lines of code. Here I use an editor to open the script. I will explain to you so you can write your own script. Here is a list of script components: commands, prompt text, controls, and comments. The first line is begin column. This is a label, and this is used in the control. When you can go to the end, see we can go to label, which means after execute this line, it will go to the begin. And the label has to be identical to the entire script. So you can only have one label only for begin. The second line is a command called CLS, which is clear the screen. And the third line is control. So we are testing if trap equals 1 or not. If trap equals 1, then we print out you need to power off the box and then go to continue. Otherwise, it will go ahead. So assume the router is in trap on mode at the time we execute the script. The script will not continue on. It will go to the end, say continue and pause. Okay. So the following commands are comments. So it will say Meraki 18, and let's execute it. And it will see these are comments, and then we echo the line, say 1 backup, 2 restore flash, 3 debrick, 4 program open WRT in RAMFS, 5 exit. So these lines will be printed out on screen like this. And then say please option, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each one has a label with it. Say let's back up. So if I select 1, it will go to backup. If I select 2, it will go to restore, which is here, and 3 will go to the debrick, which is the label debrick, which is here with the column, and 4 will be open WRT, which is here, and select 5 will exit. So let's exit first. So if I select 5 and click enter, the script exit. So script finished. Let's script execute this again. So let's say I want to back up the flash. Let me explain the backup, what it does. First, it will clear the screen, and then will display, say, trying to put the router into trap on mode. And then will say power off the router, hit enter within 1 second after power on. Then pause. Pause, wait for the your key input. Okay, so now you can have time to set up your router, and then you power on the router and hit enter. So you hit enter, then it will say execute a command, say if debug 1, which is not, then wait for this is go, wait for 800 milliseconds. This is the all ifs here. Otherwise, you power on program, and this wait is wait for 500 milliseconds. So if trap equals on 0, which means fail to get trap on, then we'll say cannot enter trap on mode, try manual method, and then go to continue. Okay, let me do this. First of all, let me execute this one without power on the router. So let's see, I select 1 and go here. I hit enter because it's not in the debug on mode, nor in the trap on mode. I hit enter. Because I haven't power on the router yet, I'm not going to get to the trap on. It will say cannot enter trap on mode. Press try again and press enter to continue spacebar to. So if I want to continue, I just say enter, continue, go back here again. If I want to exit the entire try to put in the program cannot go here. If I want to exit the entire script, so I press a space bar and enter, it will completely exit this script. So that's what this means. Okay, so let me do this one more time. MR18, and I want to back up the flash. Now I am power on the router, and then I hit enter. So we do get the trap on, and then we start reading the flash, which you can see the flash is reading now. Now it will take a while. I'm going to stop the video here after the read back is finished. Yeah, while it's still reading, we can see what we're going to do here. We program and wait, then trap is 0, which is we are in the 1. So we program, wait, go to continue and detect and flash. Sorry, we get RAM, and then after this is the line we are currently executing. Okay, let's take a look. Currently we are still reading, but let's take a look here. And after reading back, we are going to save this to a file, and I'm going to pause here until we come back. Here I'm back, and after finish, we have the command here, save 084. And this is the command save, and it will ask if you set binary, which is the automated the backup process. The command after save is go to continue, which is continue here, and continue will pause and go to the begin. So let's say I have backup the file called 003, and then say okay, press enter to continue, which is the command pause. I enter. And then, because I'm at the beginning, I'm a trap on, so I need to power off the box, hit it continue, and then we go to the beginning. So the backup process here explains how the script works, and you can go through all those commands by yourself and learn how to write your own script. And the script is very, very, very powerful. If you know how to use the script, you can make the USB JTAG NT or ULIC very, very efficient tool for you. I'm going to give another example to program the OpenWRT init RAM-FS here. So when we select 4, which will program the OpenWRT init RAM-FS, it will go to here, which will first the same thing, trying to put the router into trap on mode, and then we will load to init RAM-FS and then program it. So here is how it works. So first power off the router, and then I select 4, and it says trying to put the router into trap on mode, power on the router, and hit enter within 1 second. So here, and then say load the init RAM-FS, which is this one, the kernel init, and it will do the erase. And then program. So hit enter to continue. So we have done this. If you have any question, please go to www.usbjtag.com to discuss with us.